What if car insurance worked like a prepaid phone plan? That's exactly what Hugo Insurance offers with its pay-as-you-go model. But is it worth it? Let's break it down. So Hugo Insurance lets you buy coverage by the day, week, or month. You can turn your policy on and off through their app when you're not driving, which you could save money for people who don't use their cars every day. Coverage types include liability only, liability plus basic protection, and full coverage, giving flexibility for different needs. Now, the biggest advantage is cost savings for low-mileage drivers. There are no upfront deposits, hidden fees, or long-term commitments. Plus, you can pause your coverage anytime, meaning you only pay when you need insurance. However, Hugo isn't available in every state, and drivers who use their cars daily may find it less cost-effective than a traditional monthly plan. It also lacks some advanced coverage options and perks like roadside assistance or rental reimbursement. So, is Hugo worth it? I'd say if you're a part-time driver, gig worker, or someone who wants flexible pay-as-you-go insurance, it's a game changer. But if you're on the road every day, a standard plan from a major insurer may be a better long-term value. Have you used it? Do you want it compared with anything else? Perhaps something like Geico Auto? Let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.